Hi and welcome to the Blue Globe 27 channel. My name's Grant and today I'm going to be having a look at the price update batch in Evolution. Some of the key benefits of the price update batch is that you can do global price updates or customized price updates. There are various methods that you can use to do the updates. You can set the prices, you can add to your existing price, you can subtract from existing prices. Your inclusive and exclusive prices can be increased by a percentage, your markup cost percentage, your gross margin percentage, you can round up, you can round down, and many other options. The price update batch, you'll find that on the inventory node under transactions, and there you will find the price update batches, or you can have a look at the transactions, inventory, and price update batches. In order to do your price update, you're going to have to create a new batch. Click on the new batch and that'll give you a screen to open up all the defaults for the batch that you're wanting to create. Generally, in the batch description, we would normally add a date there so that you can differentiate between the different batches. And the default options, this is where you will make your selections. Your update type, as mentioned previously, you've got various ways of doing this. You can set your exclusive price, your inclusive price, you can mark up your cost percentage, your gross margin percentage, your exclusive price, or your inclusive price. For this exercise, we're going to be doing the exclusive percentage price increase. So let's just select that. And the other options you've got are you can set them, you can add, or you can subtract. In order to increase the price, we're going to select the add option. We are also wanting to round up prices, so we go and select the rounding option. Round up inclusive, round down inclusive, round up exclusive, and round down exclusive. We're going to go round up exclusive. And we're going to do that to the nearest rand. The price list names, you need to select the price list that you're wanting to do the price update to, depending on how you've named your price lists. We've got projects, retail, and wholesale, and I'm only going to want to do a price update on the projects batch. Inventory items, we're going to have a look at all inventory items, but I want to restrict it to the inventory group, a specific inventory group. Here I'm going to select my 002 inventory group. In order to do that, we can just unselect all and select the group that you're wanting to do the update to. If you have the warehouse module, you can then do warehouse price updates as well. You can either update all the selected warehouses or only your sellable warehouses. I'm just going to leave them ticked like this because we do have a number of warehouses and we are going to increase the prices on our sellable warehouses as well. So those are the settings for your batch. Let's go and create this batch. From the defaults that we selected, your batch is now populated, and as you can see, it gives you your item code, item description, the warehouses that you're going to upgrade, the price list that you're going to upgrade, and then it pulls the exclusive prices and inclusive prices from the database. Cost method selected is the average cost method with your unit cost prices, and also shows your gross margins. And the update that we're going to do is to the exclusive price percentage, and here we're going to need to add what the percentage is that we are wanting to change the prices by. Our percentage change we're going to do at 10%, and we're going to add 10% to the existing price. As you can see, it already populates the new price. You can see the new exclusive price, the new inclusive price, and it's rounded up to the nearest rand. In order to get the percentage drilled down to all the options, just highlight the percentage, go to the line option and copy down percentage change. This will then take the same percentage to all the lines in the batch. And once you've done that, your batch is ready to be updated. Let's have a look and validate the batch. There we can see the batch is happy. There's no errors that are found, and we are going to post the batch. So we can now see that the batch has been posted. Let's have a look and see what those prices are like in the batch. So we can see that for G0006, the exclusive price was $49.43. The new price, rounded up, is sitting at 55 Rand. So we can see that the prices have increased by the 10% that we added to it. Let's go and have a look at it in the inventory item side. Here we see the inventory items. Go and check the item out and go to pricing, and there we can see that the project's prices were increased and the new price is sitting at 55 Rand exclusive. If you'd like to know more information on the price update batch, please don't hesitate, give us a call at Blue Globe 27 and we're there to be of assistance to you. Thanks for watching.